Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Chief Kumar News. Here I am only reading the Hindu newspaper. My purpose in improving my knowledge and English only, nothing else. Therefore, please support and guide me. This is our first article. Government pushes to clear works bill, reduce slams opposition parties. Some people are saying that this works amendment bill is unconstitutional. Works rules, its provisions have been in existence since before independence. If the Work Act has been in existence since before independence, then how can it be illegal? Kiran Rijiju, Union Minister, Minority Affairs Minister. The Minority Affairs Minister accused the opposition of misleading innocent Muslims by telling them that the government will snatch their properties. He said the propaganda is harmful for the country. Center likely to table the bill tomorrow. Ishta Mishra written New Delhi write this article. Amid controversy protests against the Works Amendment Bill 2024, Minority Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju on Monday slammed the opposition party for allegedly misleading people from the Muslim community on the bill. Mr. Riju's statement came ahead of the union's government's proposed plan to table the bill in parliament on Wednesday. Sources in the government said that it is hopeful that the bill will pass. Government managers have reached out to ally to drum up support. Some people are saying that the Works Amendment Bill is unconstitutional. Works rule its provisions have been in existence since before independence. If the Works Act has been existing since before independence, then how can it be illegal? He asked. The Minority Affairs Minister said that the opposition party are misleading innocent Muslims by telling them that the government will snatch their graveyards and mosques. Identify liars. I would like to request everyone to please identify those leaders who are lying. These are people who misguiding the countries during CA. They had said that CA was brought in to snatch the rights of Muslims, he said. He added that the opposition propaganda is harmful for the country. The minister, while extending ideas, which is added that he is proud to say that minority are the safest in India and enjoy the best right of freedom. Several consultations urging political party to participate in the debates on the bill in parliament. Mr. Riju said that the legislative process has undergone a record number of consultations and deliberations over the Works bill. He welcomed the Kerala Catholic Bishop Council asking MP from the states to back the bill. It is the duty of those in politics to care for and address problems and challenges faced by our people, he said. For example, hundreds of the families in Munambam, Kerala have suffered and continue to seek a solution to protect their property and home. This act is not against any community. That is propaganda being spread to poison minds of some. Mr. Riju said he too asked MPs from Kerala to support the bill in the interest of all people and refrain from appeasement politics. The Union government on July 28, 2024 had tabled the bill in Parliament proposing the inclusion of non-Muslim and Muslim women on the Waqf board. The amendment proposed to strip the boards of power to declare a property or as Waqf. In August, a 31 members joint parliament committee was set up to review the bill. Know your English. Now we start our English chat, daily English session. K. Subramanian S. Upendra, do you think your boss will give you a raise? I don't know. I am afraid to even think about it. Sometimes you say afraid to and sometimes afraid of. When do you use which? You normally use afraid of when you are scared of someone or something. For example, many children are afraid of the dark. Hyenas are afraid of lions. Can I say some of the best batsmen in the world are afraid of Anil Kumble? You most certainly can. It is also possible to say most batsmen in the world are afraid to face Anil Kumble. Afraid to face. When do you use afraid to? It is generally used when you are scared of doing something. I am afraid to ask my boss for a raid. The vice chancellor is afraid to ask the striking student to go back to class. Afraid to also means hesitate to. Don't be afraid to tell me if you need any help. So when you use afraid to, it is usually followed by a verb. Is that verb right? Yes. And afraid of is followed by a noun. I see my grandmother is afraid to get into a moving train. You generally don't get into a train, you get on a train. Get on, that's right, you get into a compartment, but get on a train or a plane. I see, but what about a car? You get into a car, get out of a car, but you get on and get off a plane, train, bike, scooter, etc. Is it okay to say the prime minister got off the plane at Delhi? Yes, it is. But this day the word this deplanes is used very often. Deplanes, what does it mean? It means to get off the plane. For example, the president deplane in Delhi. So if you get off the train, you can say detrain. You, who knows, maybe people will start using it very soon. By the way, what is squidly? Squidly, it means soft and moist, soggy. Do you know what squify means? No, it means slightly drunk. Published the Hindu on December 1995. The daily quiz. This is our daily quiz session. Makers of the Malayalam movie Impuran have decided to make cuts to the film following backlash over certain scenes. Here is a quiz on controversial Indian movies. Vignesh P. Venkatesh make this quiz. Question number 1. Name the Hindi movie released in 2016 that decade to move the Bombay High Court against the cut order by the censor board. Question number 2. This movie, directed by the Sanjay Leela Bhansali, had twice its title, which initially was the name of the Rajput queen. Name the movie. Question number 3. The Malayalam movie by Sanal Kumar Sasidharan had to make a little followed criticism that is portrayed a Hindu deity in an explicit fashion. Name the movie. Question number 4. This movie was initially titled Jafna but was later changed to avoid direct reference. Name the movie. Question number 5. The INB ministry had blocked two parts documentary series which deals with the same topic of contentions as Impuran from social media platform. Name the documentary. Visual question. Makers of this Irfan Khan starer, a remark of a Malayalam movie, removed one of world from its title after Salon Association raised objection. Name the movie. Question and answer to the previous day daily quiz. The occasions for which the Eiffel Tower was built as the centerpiece of 1889 World's Fair. It was supposed to stand for 20 years. The names of these many scholars are inscribed on the border encircling the first floor of the tower. Answer 72 scholar. The development of this model of communication came to rescue of the Eiffel Tower, radio and wireless telegraphy. The significance of Lee Jules Verne and Madame Brasserie. The answer: two men restaurants on the second floor and first floor respectively. The contribution of Maurice Coichin and Emily Nauger. Answer: they are the engineer behind the actual construction of the tower. The tower surpassed this USA structure to become the tallest human-made structure in the world. Answer: Washington Monument. Many sports person got a piece of the iconic tower because of this. Epic of the tower was incorporated into the medals at the 2024 Paris Olympic. Visual. Name the famous scientist seen with Gustav Eiffel. Answer: Thomas Alva Edison. Early bird who give the answer is this. So guys, this is today's video. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more update and more video. Press bell icon for notification. Thank for watching. We meet tomorrow next video. Jai Hind.